Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting straight away. Rinse the pan to remove crumbs, then pour in hot water and add 1/4 cup white vinegar so it contacts the stain. The acid helps break mineral and grease bonds. Soak 15–30 minutes. While it soaks, sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda into a bowl, set out a non-abrasive pad and a soft cloth, and put on gloves. These items let you escalate cleaning without scratching the steel, so make sure everything's within reach before you begin scrubbing. Once soaked and drained, sprinkle 1–2 tablespoons of baking soda directly on the stain. The mild abrasive and residual vinegar reactions lift residue. Scrub in circular motions with a non-abrasive pad, concentrating on edges where grease accumulates. Apply moderate pressure and re-wet as needed. If you face burnt-on patches, add water and 1 tablespoon dish soap. Bring to a gentle simmer for 5–10 minutes to loosen carbonized food. Then repeat scrubbing. This combination attacks organic grime while protecting the stainless finish. Rinse the pan thoroughly to remove all baking soda and loosened residue. Then dry with a microfiber cloth to avoid freshwater spots. To restore shine, apply a tiny drop of neutral oil or stainless cleaner and polish following the metal grain. This evens reflectivity and repels future stains. If streaks or dark spots persist, repeat the vinegar soak or use a cream stainless cleaner sparingly. For tough discoloration, repeat the simmer and scrub cycle. One tip: test any abrasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.